Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you the best and simplest way to switch between multiple cameras in Godot. So let's get started. At first I added a mesh instance to test the camera view. Next, I added 3 camera 3D nodes to the scene. These are the cameras we'll switch between. Now, add a button node to the scene. This acts as the switch for toggling between cameras. Rename the button to camera. Now add a script to the scene. First I added an export variable to make the cameras editable in the inspector. Now, drag the cameras into the array in the scripts inspector. Next create a var to track the active camera's index. Now create the function to set the active camera. Inside the function, we use a for loop to loop through each camera in the array. Then, we check if the camera index matches the active one. If it does, we set it to active. Now, connect the button's press signal to our script. Now we update the active camera index. We add 1 to the current index, then use %cameras.size to loop back to 0 when we reach the last camera. Finally, call the function to update the cameras. Also, update the camera in ready. That's it. Now, every time you click the button, your camera view will switch. Lastly, don't forget to click the red button, or else the project will show not subscribed error. Thank you so much for watching.